Today we're going to use the Information Analyzer Thin client along with Information Governance Catalog to govern and understand the quality of our company data. This morning we received an email from Stacy, our database administrator. She just copied a series of files from our transactional database system to a Hadoop environment to make them more quickly and easily accessible for our data analysts. Before we can give our analysts access, our company's information governance policies require that we determine data quality for the new data sets. We don't want analysts making decisions based on data that is incomplete or incorrect. All of our policies are housed in Information Governance Catalog, which helps us outline how we want our information to behave and track our compliance to those policies. We'll start by logging into the Thin client. In the email that Stacy sent, she gave us the Hadoop cluster connection information. We use the Find Data tab to locate that connection and browse all of the directories to find and select the files indicated in her email. We start by selecting one. We preview the dataset to get more information and to confirm that we've got the right file. This looks like what we need, so we add it to the existing workspace Stacy indicated in her email. We'll do the same thing for both of the datasets specified in the email. Once we get to our workspace, we see that it contains multiple datasets in varying states of analysis, and we can drill down to see all of them. The datasets we just added are in the workspace, so we can get started. The first thing we do is run analysis on both of the new datasets. Once the analysis is complete, we can start exploring the results. We see this dataset has a quality score of 97%, but we want to take a deeper look to see if that score is accurate based on our knowledge of the data. We get an overview of the data quality for the entire dataset, with a list of violations found by the system. After some further investigation, we identify one of the columns impacted by a large amount of missing values. The Information Analyzer Thin client provides detailed analysis at a column level, including more details about quality and a distribution of values. Since missing values here won't actually impact the quality of this data, we can edit this analysis to specify that null values are acceptable. When we run the analysis again, the data quality score changes from 96 to 99, and we know those results are more accurate. Now we want to look for sensitive information in our data that might be a security concern. One way to do this is simply reviewing which data classes have been identified in the analysis of the dataset. In this case, we've got a dataset with credit card numbers, social security numbers, and phone numbers in one table. We'll make a note about these values, describing the issue and offering suggestions about next steps. After we add the note, we want to publish the analysis result for this dataset to make them available to other members of the governance team. If we go back to Information Governance Catalog and find the dataset we were just working with, we can see our note is visible there as well. To learn more about InfoSphere Information Analyzer Thin client and Information Governance Catalog, you can visit the IBM Knowledge Center.